Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Android version and identifying the DNS method you'll use. Open Settings and verify Android 9 or higher. Private DNS is built in, while older versions need apps. Once done, pick a DNS provider that supports DNS over TLS or a trusted do/do/t app. Make sure you have the provider's hostname or app installed. Now move to Settings Network and Internet. Don't pause. You'll enter private DNS details in the next step to secure lookups immediately. You now configure the core. Go to Network and Internet and tap Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider Hostname and type the provider's TLS hostname precisely. Once entered, save and test by browsing. DNS queries are now encrypted. If you prefer an app, install a trusted do/do/t resolver, open it, and accept the VPN-style permission prompt. Make sure system private DNS is off if the app operates a private tunnel, because two resolvers can conflict. Finally, verify resolution and latency. Finish by validating results. Open a browser, load a site, and use a DNS test app to confirm queries go to the chosen provider. If resolution fails, don't panic. Clear app cache, toggle private DNS off and on, or reboot the phone. Small resets often fix TLS negotiation errors. If you still see problems, change the hostname to a different provider or uninstall conflicting VPN/DNS apps, then retry. Make sure to test multiple sites so you know DNS is consistently secure and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.